Hey guys, welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Shanu and I'm a part of OnceHub support team. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a new chatbot in OnceHub. So let's go. Once you log into your OnceHub account, you will see your home screen. From here, you need to click on this chatbot icon from the left panel. Once you click on it, you can click on create chatbot from the right. Here you will get two options. You can either create from scratch by clicking on start from scratch button or select from a given template. For example, if I select this template, enter your chatbot name and the owner, and then click on create. Here you will see all your chatbot interactions. To edit an interaction, you can click on it, and then on the right, you can edit. You can also change the routing from the routing tab. Once you're satisfied, click on save and then publish. Once it's published, you can click on the page designer to share the direct link with your clients, or you can embed it in your website by using this embed designer and clicking on the get the embed widget code. All right, you're all set now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.